Hello financial fans, all is well here. We have nice weather today, with temperatures peaking in the 70s Fahrenheit. And during this past week I bought 4 different stocks. And these are all bought on August 30th. I bought TEF, and I bought SMFG, and I bought BIG, and I bought MBT. TEF I bought for $5, 2.5 cents, and let's see where it went after that. It's down 2.5%, TEF, and SMFG is up 3.2%, and I bought it for $6.88 per share. I also bought BIG, which is Big Lots. I thought that was going to do quite well. It is down 7.6% since I bought it, and I paid $51.75 for it. And MBT, a crazy stock. MBT, I bought it for $9.04.5, and MBT is up 3.2% so far. We shall see what happens in the future. And we'll look at some stocks today, including several that have very crazy numbers, something to look at. Remember, you can lose all your money. If you invest in stocks, you can lose money. It's not insured, and I'm not a financial advisor, but I show you what I buy and sell, and I tell you when I have stock that goes down in value, because that is very much a part of trading stocks. Some of them do go down in value. Let's take a look at 4 stocks to consider, and look at the 1-year expected value of some of these. They're kind of unusual, to say the least, and we shall begin with General Motors, which has the symbol of GM. And General Motors closed for $48.82 on Friday the 3rd of September 2021. And the symbol, by the way, is GM. And we look down that first column on the left, 2/3 of the way down, 52-week range, $28.24. It would have been nice to have got in there and enjoyed a $20 rise in price. And it did get as high as $64.30 during the past 52 weeks, the volume. Average volume about 16 million shares trade every day, which is very good. And down at the bottom of that first column on the left, we see that the experts considered General Motors to be undervalued. Third item down the middle column, PE ratio 5.67. That is a big discount to the usual price of General Motors. Usually their PE ratio would be much higher. And we have no dividend with General Motors, but look at the 1-year target down there at the bottom of the middle column, $70.30. That would be very, very nice if that did happen, and General Motors got up there past the $70 mark. But we will move on to the next stock. Synchrony Financial, SYF is the symbol, New York Stock Exchange. $47.38 was the closing price on Friday. And the first column on the left, 2/3 of the way down, 52-week range, $24.20 to $52.14. So it's got some headroom, but it's nearer the high than it is to the low. The average volume, about 5 million shares trade every day, and the experts consider this stock also to be undervalued. And we look at the PE ratio, 8.46, which is under 10, and that's really nice. That's the kind of numbers we like to see for a PE ratio. Tiny dividend, forward dividend and yield about 2%, 1.86%. And the 1-year target, it's now at $47.38, and they expect this one to go perhaps as high as $56.95 before the year is out. Look now at GGB. GGB Now this is one of those crazy stocks. I have no idea what's going on, but we'll look at the numbers and just report what we see here. These are Yahoo's pages. Yahoo has great financial pages. And this GGB, I guess is pronounced Gerdo, SA, $5.21 a share, which makes it pretty close to being a penny stock. 2/3 of the way down, 52-week range, $3.52 to $7.27. About 10 million shares trade every day. And this stock is considered to be near fair value. PE ratio, 5.64, again under 10. That's a great PE ratio to see if you're holding on to the stock. That means you're making a lot of money on that stock compared to the price of the stock. And the forward dividend yield, 4.44%, which is a nice yield to be receiving while you hold on to the stock. But look down there at the one-year target. One-year target estimate on GGB from $5.21 current price. They expect it to go to $41.52. So that would be quite a jump. Then we take a look at the last stock we'll be looking at to consider. US Bank Corp, the symbol USB, the price $56.15, and the 52-week range $34.17 to $62.47, and it's nearer to the high than it is to the low. Average volume 5.3 million shares trade every day, and it's considered to be near fair value. And the PE ratio 12.03, which is not bad. The dividend 3.28% is what you receive for holding on to the stock, and the one-year target, a nice move upwards, $63.86 on US Bank Corp, symbol USB. And I thank you very much for watching.